Hi everyone, it's James and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted anything. Anyway, this video is about a new charger for my iPhone. I have an iPhone 12. I'm sick of these lightning cables not working. I got a new charger from Amazon Japan. That's because I'm in Japan. Let's head over to Amazon Japan's website. This is what I bought on July 15th. It's a fast charger, IMDEN. I'll translate this. It's a wireless charger, rapidly charges up to 15 watts output. Just put iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini, iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 mini, SE2, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, AirPods 2, AirPods Pro, other Qi compatible models. The brand is IMDEN Charge. It costs 1,290 yen. That's about $9.30 US. It's my first time to use one of these. It looks simple. Look at that. It lights up LED. Connector type, USB. Let's get to the charger. You look at my iPhone 12. I went ahead and opened this package, but I haven't taken the charger out. Here it is. IMDEN model GY68 or GY58. It's compatible with Android, maximum 15 watts, and iPhone 7.5 watts. Standard is 5 watts. Here it says compatible with Android or iOS. A variety of fast charging modes. Safety designed to protect your important smartphone with overcharge protection and overheat protection. The wireless charging function can be used on terminals that support the Qi standard. That's it. Manual. It is in Japanese. Okay, smartphone case. A case like this is okay, but if you have a case like this, it won't work. A case like this won't work. I have a case like this. And no, this won't work as well. Take a look at my case. It may not work. Let's just give it a try. It comes with a USB Type-C cable, not a lightning cable. And it is long. Yes. Wireless charger GY68. It is light. And here is the port. Plug the Type-C cable in it. Okay, and it does not come with an adapter. I'll be right back with one. This is my iPhone adapter. Plugging it in. Ooh, look at that. It lights up green all the way around. There are 4 stoppers on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to try to charge my iPhone 12 with the case on. It doesn't work. It does not work, just as they said it wouldn't work. I'm going to remove the case. This is my iPhone 12 in its native form. I put this sticker on. Let's see it charge. Wow, that's fast. Look at that. A blue light indicates it's charging, and a green light means it's not charging. And as you can see, it is still charging. So I'm not sure how long it'll take to charge up to 100%. I don't think I'm going to wait. It seems like a good product. Very affordable. I'm sick of buying lightning cables for my iPhone, so this is good. So this is a good product, and I recommend getting this. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and get one of these. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.